All right, if you're watching this video right now, you should be in Geometry 9 class. Geometry 9 meaning that you are a freshman right now taking geometry. You already took algebra in 8th grade and possibly have a credit from that. What are you going to sign up for and take next year? Everybody in Geometry 9 is going to take Algebra 210, meaning it's Algebra 2, but it's only for sophomores. So look around you, all of your classmates, everybody who's been in algebra with you and in geometry with you will now move on to Algebra 2 as sophomores. There are juniors and seniors in Algebra 2 also, but they have a different class. They go to possibly a different teacher as well. So it'll just be your group in Algebra 210, your sophomore year. Your junior year, you now have a choice of, am I going to stay on track? And this is, I've been rocking the math. I'm really, really good at it. I like it. I might even go into math for my career someday, or engineering, science, math. You might want to just stay right on track of the advanced course and take pre-calculus your junior year. So you would take pre-calculus your junior year, which would then set you up and prepare you for your senior year. Your senior year, if you've taken pre-calculus, you can take calculus, or you can take AP Calculus, which is offered because the AP means advanced placement. You could get a college credit for it if you pass the test at the end of the year. Now, I'm saying this, it's not a guarantee that we'll offer both calculus at a slower pace and AP Calculus by the time you're a senior year. Sometimes we don't offer both, and then you would all take the AP Calculus. What else could you do? And staying on the fast track, or the advanced track, I'd say pre-calculus, we do have this option over here of AP Statistics, which can be taken concurrently with other math courses. Maybe you want to take pre-calc and AP Stats your junior year. Maybe you want to take calculus and stats your senior year. Or maybe you don't want to join calculus and you kind of switch over and say, I'm going to take AP Stats instead. Oh, I don't even know if you can see that. Let me turn my screen a little. There you go. So the AP Stats is an option. There's also computer programming, which counts as a math course, if that is interest you. There is statistics. Second semester only. You would take that only for a semester, either your junior year or your senior year. And one other class I want to point out is college prep math. I'm going to come back to that in a second after I finish talking about what would you do then if you said, I don't want to take pre-calculus my junior year. Math has been strong for me, but it's not my favorite. I don't want to keep going strong. There's no reason for me to take any more advanced class in high school. I know what I'm going to do in college or military or 2-year college. Maybe you want to just slow it down just a touch and take advanced algebra with trig your junior year after Algebra 2. That's for anybody who's completed Algebra 2, that'd be juniors or seniors. This would be your junior year. And I'd like to really call it Algebra 3. Kind of makes more sense. It takes all the skills that you've learned in Algebra 2, makes you learn them better, get stronger at them, more fundamental, good math, and prepares you a little bit more for pre-calculus rather than making that jump. So junior year, you will now decide, do I want to take advanced algebra with trig, or do I want to take pre-calculus? If you take advanced algebra with trig, your senior year, your choice would be pre-calculus or AP Stats or computer programming, or maybe you just want to take second semester of stats. But you still could take a 4th year of math. And the 4th year, even though not required, it is very, very strongly suggested for anybody going to a 4-year college. A 2-year college, that 4th year would really still help you, and I know they still like it in the military. Let me back up to AP Calculus right here. Yes, you can get a college credit for it, but there are also college professors that will say you don't have to have AP Calculus or calculus in high school. We will teach it to you at the college level. We want to make sure you have a good, strong, fundamental basis going into college, and that's why this track is okay for anybody in a 4-year college. They could jump up here and take advanced algebra and pre-calc and not choose to take calc your senior year. Now, I said I was going to go back to this other course. It's called College Prep Math. And what it really does is it prepares you for taking some of those math classes that you need to get into a college. Every junior has to take an ACT class or ACT test. And that usually happens in March of your junior year. So first semester of your junior year, you take college prep math. It has to be taken concurrently with other math classes. So junior year, you take advanced or college prep math with pre-calculus or with advanced algebra with trig one semester, and you take that as well, and prepares you for the test. It's only a semester. It does not count as a math credit, however. It only counts as an elective, but it still counts towards your college graduation or your high school graduation. And those are your options. So if you have any questions, of course, ask your math teacher specifically. I would even ask your math teacher before you ask your school counselors of, if I do this, what if I do this? But this flowchart is available to you on the websites and in school counseling if you have any questions.